this particular forum, this induction of additional members for the single year 2023 is now called to order.
Today, we gather here to witness the induction and oath-taking ceremony of our new members, BATS frontliners, as we continue to build a strong foundation for our club and reinforce the values that define our organization. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations to our new members on their journey towards becoming part of the esteemed Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club. Your decision to join our rank reflects not only your shared passion of camaraderie, but also your commitment to upholding the principles and ideas that our club stands for.
As you were the fraternal order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, the so-called the Maharlika Barracuda Eagles emblem with pride, remember that it represents not just your membership, but also the dedication to our shared values and goals. Let us stand together, united by our commitment, and continue to make our brotherhood stronger with each passing day. Welcome, new members, to the Maharlika Barracuda Eagles Club. Let your commitment be shining example for us all.
So I hope you will spend the next 36 years just like me as an Eagle. After 36 years, I'm still here talking before you. So I want you to do the same. I want you to follow the steps and be good Eagle until kingdom come.
On behalf of our BATS frontliners, we would like to thank all officers, governors, all here at the presidential table, all the president of clubs, regular members, Kuya Ate Bunso, Philippine Army, Task Force Jensen, and bago ko makalimutan sa Corrigo Masto, maraming salamat. So, ulit, Philippine Army, glory to God. This is thank you, President.
So, thank you everyone for being here tonight. Thank you for extending your support to the induction of our new members, the 9 new members that will include later our host. Kuya na, Kuya Colonel Aquino. So thank you.
Let me also express my gratitude for extending the opportunity to be part of this organization. Let me now pledge my commitment in my capacity as the commander of Task Force Jensen to help promote and advance the objectives of the Fraternal Order of Eagles.